Hello guys! Welcome to Waray Mama's YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to the... Huy!
Going to a park!
We're going to the park. We're gonna have a picnic. We're gonna have a picnic in the park with JP. And I think we're gonna feed the fish in there. We have old leftover bread, so we're gonna feed it to the fish. So see you later. Ayan guys, andito na tayo sa Brandon Park. Tapos na kami kumain ni JP, kaya maglalakad na kami. Ayan, it says, welcome to the City of Park Story Walk. Brought to you the Brandon Library. So, andito na tayo. Baliktarin natin yung ating video. Kasi nakaharap sa akin. Wait lang. I'm gonna show you guys. Ang daming isda oh. Nag-turtle fish. Nakita nyo? Ang daming isda oh. Ang daming yung isda. Ang sarap mga will dito pero hindi pwede. Ang daming isda oh. Ang daming yung isda. Yeah. Oh, look. Give me some. Look at those fish. Even the turtle. Ah! Look. Whoa. It's a lot of them, guys. Look at those. Let me see. Don't. Look. Wow, is that awesome? They're huge. Ang dami nila. See, ang dami nila. Tingnan natin. Feeding the fish. Ang dami nila, guys. Even the turtle. Look at that huge turtle. Holy macaroni. Look. JP, did you see that big turtle? Oh my. It's a huge one. Look. Wow. Look at that huge turtle. Whoa, he swim away. Look. Where'd he go? Holy macaroni. Look at that huge turtle. Whoa, he scared away all the fish. Whoa. This is fun. Whoa. Wow, guys, a lot of fish. It's a lot of fish and turtles. Wait. Ano ba to, eh? Hindi ko... Ang dami nila guys, ang dami. Look, JP gonna get more. More for the fish. Ang dami. Ang daming turtle. Give me a second. Lalagay ko muna dyan. Wish the turtle in the house. A big piece that or got some. Where is it? Where did it go? Look how a bunch of turtles and fishes here. That's more. Then you're gonna feed some in the other side. Where is that big turtle go? Wow, they're coming this way. Look, a lot of fish. Turtle and fish. But you cannot go fishing in this area. Look. Look at the big turtle right there. Where's the other one? That lapad kayong usa ba? Asa naman ito? Lapad kaayo ba? Dako kaayo. Tiguwang na ito siguro ito. Are we gonna feed it that way, that area right there? The big turtle is gone. I think he got enough. He got the big pieces. He got big pieces already. He's already right there. There you go. It's a beautiful day. You want more bread? You wish you was riding in the turtle. Look at the turtle, look. Here, more. You can ride on that turtle, the huge one. Where it go? I did not see it anymore. Oh, it's right there, it's right there. Look, he's trying to get everything. Look. Kadakuan ng turtle, uy. Siya rin nakahurot. Naapa gani o mga isda kag may diri sa gilid-gilid. Look. Oh, he's swimming away. He's almost huge as this pond. Dagan kayo sila ano oh, mga gagmay kayong isda. Na ano mga turtle isda oh. Naapa usa dito oh. Oh, you only have a few more left. We're gonna feed it to the others. He's coming. Pagkadakuan ni mo da, lami ni mo sugba. Lami isugba. Come on, let's go to that. Ay sila. Ay sila ng ano.
Or 3.
No, that's it. Dagan kay sila
I
kuan.
hope 3 things.
This is only a pond. A small pond. Pero it's lots of fish. A small pond with lots of fish. Yeah. What about here? We're gonna feed the fish here. Yeah. Give me the Gatorade, please. Okay, you got everything? Dagan kayo isda, oh. We're gonna put it in.
More bread.
Uy, naagihapon turtle dire. I know, they're so hungry. No, look, the turtle over there was coming right away. Look, they can smell food. Yeah, they're coming this way. Look at those turtles. They're swimming around you. They can smell the goodies. There's one more. Oh, what's that? There's many more coming. Okay, we're gonna go to the bridge. Okay, we're gonna go to the bridge now.
One more, you're going to be done.
Yep.
You're going to be back.
We're gonna get a backfish. That's too loud. I know, look at those fishes. Fishes. I don't know what kind of fish are they, but they are a lot. There are a lot of them. Fishes everywhere. We're going to, that way is a huge fish, and the next one is the, what is that, medium size. This one is little bitty tiny. This here is tiny fish, lives this way. So we're gonna see if we can feed that fish here. Them are tiny fish. Look, they're tiny fishes. Yeah, they're babies. They're babies fish. Gagmay kayong isda diri. Banda dito sa pikas dagko. Okay, let's go to the other side naman. I'm thirsty. We're gonna go that way. Go. Go first. Go. You like your nail. Meal. Taking meal. They're healthy. They're healthy. So where are you gonna feed the next one? This is the last bread. How many bread you left? One? One more left?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to find more.
Ho. I think we're gonna read the sign next time when we get here. Okay, we're gonna come here. That way. Right there. We're gonna feed it right there. Go. Go.
No.
Easy. We're going home. What's on your behind your back? What is on your shirt? Something in it. Blueberries. How your blueberries get on it? Oh boy, where this go? Where this trail go? This way. Right here. Look. I know, that way. Kuy, naman sa kagurangan. Nagubato ng Mississippi. Be careful. Be careful. Agoy, apoy na po eh. I'm tired. Espaguillo. Let's go to my car first. Let's go to the car. Where are you going? Holy girl, he just so went down. Hey, apoy na ko. You cannot keep up with this little tiny man. Ipaningot na ko. Init pa jud kaayo ba? Init pa kaayo. Agoy ako buhok nagkalkagra. Agoy pastilan. Hay, mama. Agoy mama akang. Ikapoy. I'm gonna go to the car first. I need to put this thing up. I'm gonna get my drink. Kay mag-init to rito sa sakyanan. Initan to ba? Okay guys, I think this is it for today. Thank you everyone for always watching my video. See you next vlog. Bye.